Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Gen Z debt crisis. About this I have made videos. I have made these videos for Gen Z in India, and I have also made the videos about Gen Z in Canada. So I thought, why not we compare? Okay. So again, this is just my analysis. So take it like that, my personal opinion. So we are going to discuss like this serious topic today, the Gen Z debt crisis in India versus Canada. So let's start with India. So in India, many Gen Z individuals are facing rising credit card debt, buy now pay later schemes that I call trap, and of course easy to use or easy to get personal loans. Easy digital lending apps have made borrowing very simple. I remember 10 years, 15 years back, it was not so simple like this. Social media lifestyle pressure and also pushes spending. Like people are just, I mean, an environment has been created that encourages Gen Z to spend. Okay, like they have been motivated to spend by following others, and money has been made available to them, although in the form of debt, but still because of this environmental pressure they go for it. Okay, now let's compare to Canada. Here in Canada, Gen Z struggles with student loans, very expensive, very high rent, credit card debt. So one thing is common, education costs are very high here. Living expenses are also too high. Interest rates have increased in recent years. Okay, so Gen Z is struggling here also, and here also it's drowning in debt. And I'm not saying that too much spending or what do you call show off spending does not happen here. It also happens here, and I have seen people, like, I don't want to say about them. But anyway, let's come to the major differences. In India, we see that lower income but fast growing credit culture. Family support sometimes reduces housing pressure. In India, it happens more than here. Financial literacy is still developing. In Canada, on the other hand, we see income might be higher, but the cost of living is outpacing that. Okay, student loan or education loan is a big burden. Credit system today heavily impacts future life. So, what are the common problems in these two countries? Social media comparison, social media influence, you say, right? Buy now pay later culture, it happens here also. Like anything you buy, you don't need, you go buy an Apple, iPhone, iWatch and something. Even lack of emergency fund is also very common, I see. And minimal investment strategy, that is also very common. So now what are the solutions? So don't go for lifetime inflation. Buy only what you need. Don't buy something that is not in your reach, but you have been shown by influence and loan availability that yes, go for it, but you actually don't need. Build emergency funds first. Okay. Track every expenses. Remember one thing, guys, debt is not evil, but unmanaged debt destroys freedom. So don't fall into that trap. Solutions we all know. Only you use your credit card like your debit card, so that you build your credit history, points, benefits, and also never get into debt trap. Follow this principle, guys. This is something that's gonna help you a lot. Okay, so that's what I wanted to discuss in this video, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.